ladies, you're welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is actually my birthday. It's the 28th of March, as you can see. So I'm actually excited. I was in a low spirit this morning because somebody broke my tripod, but we move. It's just a tripod, so I even thought my camera almost got spoiled, but God just saved me my camera this morning. So I was actually in a low spirit, but I'm okay now. So you're going to be spending the day with me. So later in the day, I just finished my skincare. Look at my skin looking good. We're still getting back to our normal good skin, even though there's some hyperpigmentation. I'm still thinking of some product to get for this hyperpigmentation, but until then we move. So I've done my skincare, I've applied my sunscreen, vitamin C serum, and all of those good stuff. And I'm planning to go out to meet up with Comfort. So if you've not joined my family, kindly, it's my birthday, kindly hit the subscribe button for me today. I know you've done it. Turn on your post notification, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a constructive comment. So I'm currently planning to do my makeup. I'm going to be doing something very minimal, not too much makeup. The skin work is okay. So if you're doing makeup and your skin work is okay, because that's what makeup artists say, if your skin work is fine, a little bit of makeup and you're good to go. So I'm just going to be doing a little bit of makeup. I don't even think I'll be putting foundation. I don't think. I'm just going to be, I think I'm going to be doing just concealer, eyebrow, and my lips. And I don't want too much foundation. I don't want that. I don't want something heavy on my face. I just want slight something. So I guess first maybe I should call Comfort to know how far she has gone. So I'll call you. So I'll start dressing up too.
Okay.
Because I wanted to apply something to my face. I said, okay, let me call you first. Day of all day fun, these people decided to come out. Look at it. Fam, this is gifts. Go and subscribe to our channel.
Baby,